Hey guys, welcome to the Creative Arena. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple trick on how to display the footer copyright year text dynamically in Elementor. So this is what we're talking about. This is what we're talking about. Yeah, most designers tend to make use of a static text in writing this footer copyright text here. So in a situation like that, every year you have to come over to your client website to update this, or you just leave it like that and it doesn't look professional. So with this simple trick, you'll be able to set this footer here dynamically, and then you don't have to visit your client website yearly to update this footer year text. So to do so, we just head on to our editor here, and then we scroll down here. Now in the situation whereby you made use of the text editor or the heading text, but in this website we made use of the heading text to write this for that this copyright text here. So but this can also work if you use the normal text editor to write it as well. So what we're going to do is right here we're just going to copy out this text here. We're going to copy it out, and then once we've done that, we'll click on this dynamic tags here. So and then we scroll down to where we see the current date and time. So now you can see this is the current date and time. The next thing we do, we just click on this icon here, and then we now come to the date format. We're going to set the date format to custom, and then for the custom format we're just going to click on this, and then I delete this and delete this as well. So we just have this capital Y. Now you can click on this documentation here to see how the date formatting works. But once you've done that, the next thing we're going to do is we'll come down to the advanced settings. Under the advanced settings, now we're going to add some text before and then the text after. So we're just going to paste this out. Then once we paste this, we're just going to go to the beginning of this text, and then we just delete from here. I'm going to cut it out and then give a little space here, so we now have what we are seeing here. We now have copyright before the year, and then we'll now come down here under the after. For the after, we'll give a space, and then we'll paste what we've cut from the other uh, cut, and then we'll paste it here. So we just have something like this. You can see that there is two here. One is normal text. We just need to come back here, and then we delete this text here. So remember to give a gap before the after, and then the gap right after you've written the text before, so that you can see the space is here and everything looks very nice. So I can come back here, and then you can see this looks wonderful. So next year this is going to update itself automatically to 2024. So that's pretty much it about this tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time. Bye bye.